I was just driving by and I saw these young people. They have a sign that says honk. What's it say? Honk if you love Jesus. And I was driving by and I know some of these guys from Atlanta Christian School, and I'm inspired that God's using these young people to be a bold light. And it's funny because I've done this before by myself with the John 3:16 sign. So pray for them. We're here. Plenty of people going by. Oh, yay! 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 Let's go! Yay! The car release. Yay! Let's go! Yay!
Minivans are for Jesus.
Yay! Let's go! Oh. Oh. Yeah.